Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be an interesting adventure. We're going to explore America's rail system, Amtrak. We will be going through cities and towns going northbound in the Northeast. Cities and towns such as Northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Wilmington, Delaware, Baltimore, Maryland. This train terminates in New York City, but we will not be going there. This train is used by business travelers and leisure travelers alike. It is great for eliminating the traffic and stress along I-95 and connecting you to all the major cities that we've just mentioned, the major cities and its activities. But therefore, you need to pack your patience. The train is also, or has also, its congestion points, and we will see this. We will pass through some beautiful scenery that will show not only lakes and some of the forests, and we will also see some of the buildings, infrastructures of all the major cities that we just talked about. Before I step out of the way, I wanted to share with you educators and others how beneficial I think this video could be on the basics to share with not only students, children, your group in terms of the benefits of traveling by train, the ambiance, the space, the hassle-free existence relative to traffic, the airports that it connects to, and all of the other benefits in terms of special events that this may satisfy. I'll see you at the end.
Metro Park, Newark, New Jersey.
You're fine.
Passengers should proceed to track 4. Please remove any travel documents from the envelope and have them ready for scanning by the conductor. Thank you for choosing Amtrak. Attention please. Please secure all personal belongings. Unattended items will be confiscated. TSA regulations require Amtrak to undertake random identification checks on board trains. Passengers and their personal items will be screened or inspected. Please use handrails on stairs.
As you've noticed on the opening
and monitor your children closely.
frames,
If you observe
you've seen what
suspicious
we call
activity or unattended items, please notify
a high-speed
Amtrak
train,
police or
the
Amtrak
accelerator.
personnel or call
Also,
1-800
you're going to see electric engine trains. When we board this train in Richmond, the engine on the train is going to be a diesel engine. When we get to Washington, D.C., they're going to swap out that diesel engine car for an electric engine car. And as it goes through the Northeast, it will be riding or driving, being powered by electric engines. Keep in mind, typically you're going to have an electric engine or the engine in the front and the engine in the back for the different directions. Are you familiar with this concept or technique? Let me know what happens in your country. I'll see you soon.
Switching from diesel to electric engines for the Northeast corner.
This Washington, D.C. Union Station stop going northbound is an interesting stop. Once the passengers disembark, the diesel engine cars are disconnected from the train. Therefore, the train goes completely dark. All restroom services, etc. are suspended. Then the electric engine cars are connected. Air conditioned, power and everything comes back on. And we're ready to go. It may take a total of maybe 10-15 minutes. But this is something new in terms of going from a diesel engine car to be powered by an electric engine car or cars as they go north.
Go automatic miles an hour express. Please make your way there at this time if you are going to do miles an hour. The next scheduled stop, you must be in the first 3 cars in order to exit the train. Please do not wait the last minute to walk towards the front of the train or you will miss your stop. Once again, passengers, good morning and welcome aboard the King Service train number 84, which services to the Big Apple New York Station Morning and Reno. New conductors boarding the train. All tickets will be rescanned regardless of where you're boarding. Once again, all tickets will be rescanned in a few moments. Once again, big stop will be New Fountain Mountain. BW on 3rd and Marshall Rail Station, Baltimore Penn Station, Aberdeen, Maryland. For exit at Aberdeen, Maryland, only the Class A car doors will open at Aberdeen, Maryland. Once again, if you are exiting at Aberdeen, Maryland, only the Class A car doors on each end of the Class A car will open. Following Aberdeen will be Wilmington, Delaware, Philadelphia 36th Station, Trenton, New Jersey, Metro Park, New Jersey, North Liberty International Airport Station, North Downtown North New Jersey, Penn Station, and our final 3 stops near Express Station 183. As a reminder, passenger, Amtrak trains are no smoking, no vaping. Once again, no smoking or vaping aboard the Amtrak train. Also, a reminder, passenger, you must have shoes on at all times. Throughout the train, once again, you must have shoes on at all times. This includes in the Class A car. No shoes, no service. There's 2 restroom located each car, 2 classes for receptacles located on each end to be used at my convenience. Towards the center today's trains are Class A car. Once again, the Class A car is currently closed. I say again, the Class A car is currently closed and announcement will be made when Class A service begins. Once again, passenger, we are expecting approximately 475 passengers on board this train. That means all seats will be occupied. Once again, no bags on seats, no feet on seats. I say again, no bags on seats, no feet on seats. All bags must be placed in luggage compartment above your head. If you have luggage in the accessible area on one end of the car, bags must be removed at this time. Once again, if you have baggage in the accessible area, it must be removed at this time and placed in the luggage rack above your head or on the one end of each car and the luggage rack. Once again, passenger, if you're exiting and no Class A Maryland, next scheduled stop, you must be in the first 3 cars. Please make your way to there at this time. Aberdeen, Maryland, only the Class A car doors at each end will open for Aberdeen, Maryland. At this time, please have all seats of the passengers readily available for inspection. Our first scheduled stop will be New Carrollton, Maryland. Once again, welcome aboard train 84 with services near Sun Station 183.
Electric engine.
Thanks for staying to the end. What did you think about that? It's a departure from the beaches and the different colors of the nice scenery, but it's Americana. Amtrak rail throughout America is a nice option if you have the time. Please share your comments, subscribe if you haven't, share with friends, and I'll see you on the next video.